Hi there everyone. Here are some driving tips with running commentary. Now as you can see, I'm driving up a hill, and as you can also see, the yellow line, one is solid and the other one is broken. You should not attempt to overtake going up a hill like this, because see what would happen to you? You try that, you run into someone because you cannot see over the hump. So you wait until the visibility is clear. Now the speed here is 80 kilometers an hour. I'm at 60, so I'm going to get up to 80. Now we have broken lines. So if someone wants to overtake me, they can do so. Now we're kind of going up a hill here, so as you can see, the solid amber line or yellow line and the broken line, meaning it's unsafe. You should not overtake. Now as soon as we're over the hump, see, you have broken lines, then you have solid lines again, suggesting no overtaking or overtake with caution. Now we have broken lines again, so it's safe. If someone was in front of me holding up traffic, it's legal for me to do a lane change and pass that person. Now remember to watch out for your speed, the posted speed limit. Avoid going over the speed limit, because remember, if you're driving in that direction and there's a police officer coming in the opposite direction, they know, they have the facilities to actually know how fast you're moving coming towards them, and then they'll just turn around, chase you, and you end up with a ticket. And remember, if it so happens that you're speeding and the police officer pulls you over, well, once they light you up, just put your signal on to the right, because we do drive on the right hand side of the road in Canada and the US. So you put the signal on, check your mirror, shoulder, and pull over as far to the right as possible. And then make sure you put your car, the gear selected to park, and your parking brake. Now if you do not do that, then the police officer, if you have your car running, they're gonna assume that you're gonna take off on them, and they're prepared for that. So if you take off, they'll chase you, and usually they smash your car up, so you have no car, plus you get arrested, you're going to jail. Okay, so make sure you pay attention to your speed, and like I said, if you get pulled over, just pull over, switch your car off so they know that you're not going to run. Here it is, a police officer just passed me. Now I'm doing the correct speed, so there's no need for him to turn around and chase me. Rush hour traffic, the roads are quite busy. And by the way, when you're driving, the idea is to stay in the middle of your lane. But it's also a good idea to look to the right and keep your car closer to the right. If you do like this, where you're driving on the yellow line it's easy, especially if you're going around a bend. You could end up on the other side with a head-on collision. So make sure you stay in the middle of the lane. If you cannot do that, stay a bit closer to the right. See the white line there? Yes, you can drive close to the line because it gives you more control into turns. Okay, now ahead we have double yellow lines. That means it's unsafe to overtake because, see, we're going up a hill here. You cannot see what's on the other side. Now we can see. So be careful. Do not attempt to overtake on a hill. That's dangerous. Okay, so we're up the hump and now we're going down a hill. And we have double yellow lines. Again, do not overtake. A lot of drivers will though, but they are taking a chance because if there's a collision, then they're up the creek. Okay, so back here, I'm driving at 80. That's the posted limit, but now I have a sign. It says 70 begins. So now I'm at 70. As always, I always ask that you like and subscribe to my video. And I do this early in the recording because sometimes my battery will die on me and then the video comes to a halt. So I'm asking you now to like and subscribe. But it's still running, so that's fine.